Has your Eufy 10 Pro Omni started acting strangely, losing maps, or refusing to connect to the app? Many owners encounter occasional software glitches, navigation problems, or Wi Fi issues after updates or extended use. In situations like these, performing a factory reset can often restore the vacuum to its original condition and resolve persistent errors. In many situations, a factory reset on the Eufy 10 Pro Omni Robotic Vacuum can help eliminate saved settings and refresh the system. Before assuming there's a hardware problem or changing random options, these are the steps you can try to fix this and return the device to its default setup. 1. Make sure the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is powered on and positioned near its docking station. 2. Locate the reset button or the appropriate button combination for initiating a factory reset. 3. Press and hold the required controls until the status indicator responds. 4. Wait while the robot vacuum erases its settings and restarts automatically. 5. Reconnect the vacuum to the Eufy app and verify that it is functioning normally.